Hi, today we are going to see about the new Indian 100 rupees banknote which has been issued by the Reserve Bank of India. So this currency has been released by the Reserve Bank of India in July 2018, and the front design covers the Mahatma Gandhi and the back side is the Rani wow. And this note has been is having a lot of security features in it, like the security thread, the latent imaging, the micro lettering, the the optically variable ink, and it has the see-through with the registration devices too. And also this currency is of 142 millimeters by width and 66 millimeters by height. And this currency was designed by the Reserve Bank of India, and it has all the languages in it. And it is different, it has 17 different languages. On the observe, the denomination is written in English and Hindi, and the languages displayed are in the alphabetical order, like Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. And this note did not replace or did not just take over the earlier variant of this 100 rupees note, but instead still the old currency is also into the circulation, while this currency is also into the circulation. So I'll see you back again with some other new note.